Good afternoon, everyone. It's how you cut a banana. You hold the banana and cut the banana. That's all. Do not stop yet, huh? I am not yet finished. Oh, give me the sundang.
Assistant!
Do not,
Assistant ko.
do not speak, Portia. You're only the video, okay? After getting the banana, you cut the banana tree. 1, 2, triple kill.
Double kill.
Triple.
Double!
Then you clean the surrounding of the banana you just cut. There. Oh. After it, the banana is already cut. You cut it into half. I will demonstrate to you how to cut. You stay there. This is how you cut the banana. Get back! Yeah! Oh, see? That is only step 1. Another of this step. Ah! After it, this step again. Ah! Until the banana is very small. That ends my report. Thank you.